Let's meet our Gen Cs, the Generation Cognizant. Derek, Veena, Raj, and Razia joined us through 4 diverse hiring channels: GenC Next, GenC Pro, GenC Elevate, and GenC. Let us find out how these fantastic 4 paved their paths in Cognizant. Derek, during his graduation, proactively learned advanced Java, in-depth database skills, and developed numerous prototypes. GenC Next is designed for candidates like him with thorough knowledge of advanced technologies. As part of the selection process, he cleared the skill-based assessment and technical interview for the GenC Next role. After completing a 3-month mandatory internship program, today he works as a full-stack Java engineer and is part of the FSE community. Also, have a look at a few other communities of practice at Cognizant. Let's meet Veena. She gained several badges and trailhead points in Salesforce technology, which benefited her in clearing the skill-based assessment for GenC Pro, a hiring track exclusively for candidates who demonstrates product skills. She pursued her internship with Cognizant during her 8th semester. Today, she is a product specialist for an American multinational toy manufacturing company. Take a look at some of the product skills for GenC Pro hiring. Raj studied electrical engineering in college, yet decided to appear for the GenC Elevate assessment and managed to clear it. While he got an invite to do an internship, he chose to do the Continuous Skill Development CSD, a self-paced learning program to enhance his skill set. His zeal for technical excellence fast-tracked his learning and positioned him as a big data engineer. Razia was new to IT and cleared the GenC Track aptitude test and subject matter expert interview to join Cognizant. Cognizant provided her training in latest technologies to make her a complete professional. Today, she confidently works as an application analyst for a German auto manufacturer. To summarize, these are the 4 categories of hiring and the journey that college graduates follow to join Cognizant. We support you to reach your aspirational role through a holistic learning journey. No matter where you start from, there's always a way to find your calling. The Digital Honors is one such program where you can move across tracks. Not just this, we value your choices, and we earn trust with no service bonds. We also respect your preferences on work locations. Join us to make a difference. Be Cognizant.